Attention to all of our traders, do we have some exciting news for you today? TradeDelicious is proud to announce that we are the official media partner of the trading festival of the year, TradersDay.Live, which is in London, June 17th. TradersDay.Live is going to be like a finance event you have never seen. Yes, we have top speakers of big hedge fund managers who are going to share their expertise, but we also have games, competitions, a $2.5 million tournament, and an after party. As the media partner of Traders Day Live, TradeDelicious will be giving you exclusive content and interviews to some of the people who are going to be attending this event and while we're there. If you want to get down there, network with like-minded individuals, have a good time, blow off some steam, and really connect with people that know what it's like to be a trader, what are you waiting for? June 17, London.